भारतातल्या जहाज कप्तानाक चीनान आडावन दवरला. हातून सरकारान हस्तक्षेप करून कप्तान सिद्धूक परत हाडचो अशी मागणी गोय तारवटी संघटनेन केल्या. RDX को ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
दुसरे स्टेटांनी अशें करून GSAI म्हणलो एक ग्रुप ना तारवट्या बसप. आज हो कॅप्टन जो थिंग फसलो हा, ही इज नॉट द फर्स्ट वन. हेच्या पयले कॅप्टन जेम्स म्हण आसलो, सेम असले इश्यू जाल्ले. आनी आयज तारखेर चोयल जाल्यार तुवें एक सिमेनागेल इश्यू, कोर्सा इश्यू, CDC इश्यू, कोण स्विमेन तारवटी उडी मारताय बोटी वयले, एक दोला थिंग दोला, सगळे सिमेना इश्यू. आनी आख्खे इंडस्ट्री जी आहा एक तारवट्यांकूय एक अटॅक कोता आसा. पूण हांगे गव्हर्मेंट इज अनएबल टू मेक अ इंटरनॅशनल डायलॉग. देर हाल कितें जावं, हांव एक बोटीर कॅप्टन सेव जाता, तो एक चीफ इंजिनियर सेव जाता, व्हडी चूक जावपा जाता. एज अ ह्युमन देर कूड बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी दॅट एन एरर कूड हॅपन. No problem, we are humans. But the government should able to intervene and bring him back within 48 hours. आमगे प्राइम मिनिस्टर सगळ्या भोंवता न्ही. This is to build relation. Relation इचो हिंग जावपा जाय. चायना गव्हर्मेंटाक ताबार फोलोईंग, यू शुड ब्रिंग हिम बॅक. मागीर चोया तेगे फॉल्ट आहा ना तो.
कॅप्टन अल्बर्ट डिसिल्वा, प्रेसिडेंट मॅरिटाईम युनियन ऑफ इंडिया. So Maritime आमचे Union of India head office is in Bombay. So we are already in touch with the family of Captain Sidhu. A lawyer also has been appointed. Okay. And ITF in China has also been contacted. So the procedure is in place. So as and all the further the developments take place, we are trying our best to get him released.
गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे किती मागणी करता तुम्ही?
गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान हेच मागणी करता की कसले कसले विक्टीम आसता, कॅप्टन वगैरे कोण आसता अरेस्ट जालेले, सो दे शूड इंटरवीन अँड गेट देअर सिटीजन्स आउट ऑफ दॅट कंट्री, गेट देम बॅक टू इंडिया अँड देन कंडक्ट अ ट्रायल. सी वी आर नॉट, एज वी सेड, वी आर नॉट सेइंग हू इज गिल्टी, हू इज इनोसेंट. वी ओनली वॉन्ट अ फेअर ट्रायल. He should be given a fair trial. Now he is arrested from July, but only after something came up on social media, everybody is aware. Otherwise, nobody knew who was Captain Sidhu. So MEI was also contacted by his family. We are also in touch, as I said, and we are doing our best to get him released as soon as possible.
Our demand is very simple. We are not here to justify who is right, who is wrong. Our demand is one of our captain brother, his employee, he has been detained in China because of their internal problems within Taiwan and China. But our main concern is, until today, he has been not able to meet his wife, which is in China for the last 1 month almost. He has been denied proper right to exercise like a lawyer. He has been denied all the basic needs for him to hear. Out of them, there are 8 Indians who have been released, and they have been taken over by the government, and the Indian government have recorded a statement. But only Captain Sidhu has been as a victim. So we are requesting the government to kindly intervene as soon as possible, because China is a communist country. They have their own rules. But I want to reflect back a few years ago when Chinese ship was arrested in Indian water. As a good gesture, Indian government have released them immediately. And you tell them you deal with your Chinese rules. The same thing we want to apply here. So we are asking the government to kindly bring him back home and do the proper investigation.